Okay, so these are some little penguin sculptures I'm going to show you how to make. And all they are these little Safari Limited plastic figurines of penguins. These are the South African penguins, so they're not going to be the typical on snow and ice. That's why you see a lot of greenery. So to make this, I just took these rocks that I found in my yard and just regular moss that you buy at the store and just basically glued it, and that's how it came out. This actually was just an experiment with most my craft projects turn out to be, just to see if it, actually turn out the way I was hoping it would, and it did. So I thought it looked pretty cool. I made these little guys very quick. These are the two newer ones I made. I made these a long time ago. That way you can pretty much pick them up. And so today I'm going to show you how to make these. Now I bought a whole bunch of these little guys. And I found them at the hobby store, Michael's and AC Moore. And you can also get them on Amazon or through the company themselves, I'm sure. So you can use the clear or the white, but this is the E6000 in white. And to attach the moss, I used the clear. You can always do this with hot glue as well. So whichever glue you want to use that works best for you, go right ahead. Now I'm going to clean him off. He's got a little bit of glitter because he's been stored with so much other stuff. He's just kind of got some transfer on him. So I'm just going to clean him off. Now these rocks here, again, I just found in my yard. I didn't scrub them, as you can see on this one here. There's a whole bunch of dirt and stuff in here still, and staining from where it's been laying around. Crevices are really pretty, like, it has like algae in there and stuff like that. And I just left it because I wanted it to be as real looking as possible. With this one, we're gonna have to kind of fake that a little bit because this is more of a bluer stone. I don't have any white stone with me right now that are flat like this, and it's like 9 o'clock at night, so I'm not gonna go digging in my yard for stones. So we're just gonna use what we have. So you just squeeze this on. You don't have to use a whole lot, just enough to attach the center of gravity of the bird to where it's going to sit without sliding down or rolling off. Now E6000, if you're not familiar with it, it takes about 24 hours to really fully set up. I'm just going to take some of this moss. Need to buy some more of it. It's like stuck here. Now let me show you the natural habitat of the southern African penguin. That way you understand why we're doing this. As you can see, these guys live pretty much like on a sandy beach area, but see, you can see the rocks that has like lichen and stuff on there. That's kind of what we're replicating over here, with the natural colors of the rock from the yard and the moss for that. So that's pretty much what inspired this little project, and that's what we're using. Break it apart however you want. It is a little bit of a messy project, so if you're not into messes, don't do it. Me, I don't care. tuck it in. I have a bent paper clip to help kind of persuade some of these. And try and shove it underneath the bird to help kind of hold it in place while everything's drying. Yeah, this is one of the quicker projects I came up with. You just glue it all together, leave it sit for 24 hours, and you're good to go. That's essentially it. He'll sit for 24 hours and all this will dry. Get all this cleaned up. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump you. Get this out of the way before I knock it over. But yeah, that's just pretty much how it is. This one I'll have to fix. The moss is falling off a little bit. So if you have a penguin lover in your life, this is a really quick, easy gift idea that you can make. Anybody can actually make it. And it's fairly cheap. I think these things were probably $5 or $6, probably no more than $7 at the very most for each one of these. So that's the most expensive thing in this entire project. Plus the big bag of moss is like $5 or $6, but you can buy the little sheets, I'm sure, for a lot cheaper. I wouldn't recommend buying the rocks. I mean, if you can find one, just do that. I mean, that's gonna save you a lot of money in just shipping them. Oops, I just knocked him clean off. That's okay, he's still wet, so. Oops. As easy as we created it, I destroyed it. It's all good. All good. He's fine. He'll sit. I was trying to move it, my hand wasn't moving the rock very well. There we go. But yeah, there you have it. Little penguins galore. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them or not. I'll see. If I do, it'll be on the Etsy store. That's if I do. Or I might sell them to like a zoo or something. I haven't decided yet.